Welcome to our channel. Today we will be sharing 10 easy and delicious healthy smoothie recipes that you can try at home. Let's get started. Recipe number 1. The Green Goddess. For this smoothie, you'll need spinach, kale, banana, pineapple, and coconut water. Blend it all together and enjoy a refreshing and nutrient-packed drink. Next up, we have the Berry Blast. Grab a handful of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and a scoop of yogurt. Blend until smooth and savor the burst of fruity flavors in every sip. If you're looking for a tropical twist, try our Mango Tango smoothie. Simply blend mango, pineapple, coconut milk, and a squeeze of lime. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass. Moving on to recipe number 4, the Peanut Butter Powerhouse. Blend together bananas, peanut butter, almond milk, and a drizzle of honey. It's a protein-packed smoothie that will keep you energized throughout the day. For a refreshing and zesty drink, try our Citrus Sunrise smoothie. Combine orange juice, lemon, lime, and a splash of coconut water. It's a tangy and invigorating way to start your day. Need a pick-me-up? Our coffee lovers smoothie is the answer. Blend cold brew coffee, almond milk, protein powder, and a touch of cocoa powder. It's a creamy and caffeinated treat to fuel your mornings. Now it's time for a classic favorite, the Banana Split smoothie. Blend together bananas, cocoa powder, Greek yogurt, and a handful of strawberries. Indulge in the guilt-free essence of your favorite dessert. Feeling adventurous? Try our Avocado Delight smoothie. Combine avocado, spinach, almond milk, and a touch of honey. It's a creamy and satisfying concoction that's packed with healthy fats. Moving on to our penultimate recipe, we have the Tropical Paradise smoothie. Blend together mango, papaya, coconut milk, and a squeeze of lime. Close your eyes and let the flavors transport you to a sandy beach. For our final recipe, we have the Cinnamon Apple Pie smoothie. Blend apples, cinnamon, oat milk, and a sprinkle of nutmeg. It's a delicious and cozy treat that tastes just like your favorite dessert. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed these 10 easy and delicious healthy smoothie recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty ideas. Cheers to a healthier lifestyle.